I'm going to show you how to give yourself a buccal massage. So this type of massage has been really popular with some celebrities like Meghan Markle. You may have heard of it. Basically, you're releasing tension all in this part of the face, but what makes this massage different than other ones is that this one we're doing internally. So we're going to put our fingers in our mouth and massage the muscles internally. So in order to get started, wash your face, wash your hands. You can also use gloves on your hands if that seems easier to you. And yeah, let's get going. So what I want us to do is I want us to start inside of the mouth, just around the lip area. And it's really important in this massage to try to not to overstretch your skin. So if you imagine the corner of the colored part of your eye, your iris, that corner, if you drag it down, you don't want to stretch your mouth much bigger than that. Yeah, so we'll try to do it without stretching the mouth. All right, let's get going. Taking your fingers, starting with your index finger, finding the corner of your lip, right here. And then holding with your thumb finger, the outside, and let's just do little circles with pressure, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And reverse the circles with the index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So focusing the circles on the index finger inside, and then just using the thumb just to hold it on the outside. All right, other side. So index finger on the corner of the lip. And circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax. And now let's do that all kind of around the inner lip. So at the bottom of the lip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just doing it all across the bottom, between the gum and the lip. All the way to the other side. And now the upper lip. So doing it on the other side, above the corner of the lip. And you can do it with both hands, just as long as you're not stretching too much. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then right at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. And just massaging, almost like you're like brushing your gums with your finger. Massaging all the way up. So we're going to go now more towards the cheeks, the upper cheeks, between the nose and the cheek muscles. So making little circles with your index finger. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 7, 8, 9, 10. And keep going now up to your upper cheek. And it might be easier to switch your hands. So what this is going to do, this is going to define your face. This is going to help with expression lines, like nasolabial lines. This is going to help with any folding of the skin, any sagging. They'll help lift, contour, define. And from a mental health point of view, it's very, very relaxing. So now I'm getting all the way up to that upper cheek, really up to that upper cheek. And you can even just do some pressure. So just holding it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now what I'm doing is I'm kind of I'm using my index finger inside to kind of like, not scrape with the fingernail, but use the finger just to kind of slightly pull that tissue, kind of shear it. Holding it steady with the thumb and then shearing it with the index finger. Kind of letting the muscular layers come apart all the way to the jaw. Okay? So now, if I clench my teeth, I can feel my jaw muscles right here. So just breathing into it, holding your jaw muscles with your fingers, massaging them, and trying to use your tongue to keep your face lifted. So tongue is up for the roof of the mouth. And you're massaging with that index finger inside. You can even hold the jaw up like this and massaging all of the jaw muscles. And so I'm massaging them horizontally and vertically. All the way into my back molars. Oh, it feels very good. And then now we're gonna go underneath to the bottom jaw here. Circles all along the bottom jaw. Oh yeah, very good. And then being very careful here not to stretch the skin too much. And then right at the chin, right in the bottom. Oh, it feels so good. And then now getting the corner of the lip, lower cheek, this area. So I'm just doing circles and I'm just kind of going diagonally back and forth. Careful not to stretch the skin too much. And then now doing under the tongue, holding with your other thumb the bottom of the chin, and just very gently using your finger and just doing little pressure points. Very light pressure though. I'm going from the back to the front. And one more time. Really good. All right, so now we'll do the other side. So starting up by the cheek, nasolabial area. And just doing circles. I'm gonna use this hand. It's kind of awkward. Sometimes you have to kind of find your way with this one. So I recommend doing this type of massage. In the beginning, you can do it every week. And then maybe doing it every month or so. I try to do it once a month. But for the first couple months or month or so, doing it every week is totally fine and totally good to release tension. So I'm moving across the cheek. Again, using my other hand to kind of add a surface against which my finger is doing circles. And then very gently kind of shearing, so I'm sort of like pulling some of the muscles very gently, not like tugging, but just kind of micro little shearing. And then reaching the jaw. And again, clenching the jaw, just finding your jaw muscles when you clench. And then using the finger to make horizontal lines of massage. Tongue is up. Breathing and relaxing. And having the tongue up also really helps to prevent any sort of gag reflex. So let's just make our way down. Again, down to the bottom jaw, all the way to the chin. Here, out to the lip. And then doing underneath the chin. So I'm meeting underneath the tongue and underneath the chin. Oh, and last but not least, we'll do nasolabial line. Just ironing out between the corner of the lip and the nose. Just ironing this whole area. And the other one. All right, you guys. That's it for today. Whew, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how it is for you, and I hope you enjoy the tension release soon.